Tired of missing packages or feeling unsafe at home? These smart doorbells are your digital eyes and ears, keeping a watchful eye on your property and delivering crystal clear footage right to your phone. Let's dive into the top 5 video doorbells that'll transform how you protect your home. Number 1. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. This brand is the gold standard in video doorbells. The Pro 2 offers 1,536 PHD video, delivering crystal clear images day or night. Its standout features include 3D motion detection and bird's eye view, which provide a comprehensive and accurate view of movement around your home. Pro's 1,536 PHD video, super sharp video quality with high detail. 3D motion detection tracks movement with depth for accurate alerts. Bird's eye view maps out a visitor's path on your property. Alexa compatible, seamlessly integrates with voice control. Cons: pricey. At the higher end of the price spectrum. Subscription required. Full access to features. Needs a Ring Protect plan. Number 2. Google Nest Doorbell. Perfect for those in the Google ecosystem, this doorbell is easy to install with its battery-powered design. It offers smart alerts that distinguish between people, packages, animals, and vehicles, ensuring you get relevant notifications. Plus, familiar face recognition is a nice touch for Google users. Pros: flexible installation, wire-free setup with battery power. Smart alerts differentiates between various activities. Familiar face recognition knows who's at your door. Google Assistant integration, smooth experience for Google users. Cons: lower resolution. Video quality isn't as sharp as competitors. Battery life may need regular recharging with heavy use. Number 3. Arlo Video Doorbell 2K. This premium doorbell offers exceptional features and high-quality video. With its 2K resolution, you'll enjoy crystal clear footage day or night. The 180-degree field of view provides a comprehensive view of your doorstep, and the built-in siren can deter intruders. Pros: 2K HD video, superior image quality for detailed footage. 180-degree view, wide-angle lens captures more of your surroundings. Two-way audio, communicate with visitors directly. Motion detection, receive alerts when motion is detected. Cons: subscription required. A subscription is needed for cloud storage and advanced features. Battery life. While the battery can last for several months, frequent recharging might be necessary, especially with heavy usage. Number 4. Eufy Security Video Doorbell Dual. This doorbell stands out with its dual camera system, one for visitors and another for packages. It emphasizes privacy with local storage and military-grade encryption, so you don't need a cloud subscription. Ideal for avoiding recurring costs while enjoying advanced features. Pros: dual camera system, covers visitors and packages. Local storage, no cloud fees with secure local storage. AI-powered detection, precise alerts for different movements. Privacy-focused, enhanced privacy without mandatory cloud use. Cons: bulkier design, larger due to the dual cameras. Higher price point, pricier but with good value for the features. Number 5. Wise Video Doorbell Pro, a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. It offers 1,440 PHD video and customizable motion detection zones, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Easy to install, it's ideal for anyone seeking reliable performance without breaking the bank. Pros: affordable, great value with strong features. 1,440 PHD video, clear, detailed video at a budget price. Customizable motion detection, set specific zones to monitor. Simple setup, quick and hassle-free installation. Cons: no local storage, requires a subscription for cloud storage. Build quality, not as durable as premium models. Before you go, be sure to check out this video right here. YouTube has recommended this video to you. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.